Hey guys, it's the final week of the Patriotic series, so I will show you this week's DIY and then I will show you all of the DIYs we have done during this series. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've certainly enjoyed putting it together for you. And if you see me in the same clothes as last week, it's because I'm batch filming. So, hope you enjoy it and let's get right to it. Okay, so let's start with these 3 stars from Dollar Tree. They were on a piece of burlap. It was a hanging piece, and I've removed that. I did sand the glitter off of the decorated side, but I'm going to actually paint the other side, red, white, and blue. Now I will be using these 2 candle holders from Dollar Tree, as well as a tray. I don't remember where I picked that up, but I just have a piece of the Patriotic paper from Hobby Lobby laying in there. And I have these 2 bows from Dollar Tree. They come 2 to a pack. I'm just going to place them on the front of the candle holders. And that's what that will look like. Now I'm going to take the 3 stars. Once they've dried, I'm going to hot glue them to each other, and then you'll see I will write on them and then place them on the candle holders. I'm going to use my black paint pen, and I will write "Let Freedom Ring." On the last one where I write "ring," I'm going to use my white paint pen. And now I'm just going to place them on the candle holders to see where I need to place the hot glue. And I also use a crafting stick to hold them up in the back just to give them extra support, and you will see this. I did get some blue paint on one of the candle holders, so I'm just going to go in with a little white paint and touch that up. And I've decided to use one of the American flags from Dollar Tree. These come 3 to a pack. So guys, here's what we have. I will display it and show it to you along with all the other DIYs that we did in this 6-week series. Alright guys, our Patriotic series is complete. Here is the napkin holder. I do have the wreath on the front door, so I'll have to walk you around to that. Then we have the firecrackers in the corners. We have the mirrors that we DIY'd, the rolling pin, and then the tray with the Let Freedom ring. I've also included a vase with just some of the Patriotic florals in. And then this little jar just has some white rocks and one of the flags that I've just pushed down in there. And let me walk you over to the, and here's the wreath. The lighting's not great in here, keeps going in and out it looks like. But yeah, this one turned out really cute as well. I hope you enjoyed all the Patriotic DIYs, and hopefully you were able to create some yourself. I really enjoyed sharing all these with you guys, and I hope you have a great 4th of July. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't, I would love to have you. Please remember to like, share, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.